In this video, we're going to discuss one of the crucial parts of setting up your QuickBooks Online account, creating and managing your products and services list. Think of this as the inventory of everything your business sells or provides to customers, whether it's a tangible product, a professional service, or a combination of both. This list will play a central role in your invoicing, sales transactions, and financial reports. Now that we're ready to add items to the products and services list, let's explore the options QuickBooks Online provides. First of all, to create a new product or service in QuickBooks, come over to the left menu here, and under Sales, choose Products and Services. This will load the Products and Services dashboard. Here, you'll see that some products and services are already created. This is because I'm using a sample company and it has everything pre-configured. If you need to add a new product or service to your list, come over here on the right and click on this New button. Now, when you choose to create a new product or service, 4 options will appear: Inventory, Non-Inventory, Service, and Bundle. Each serves a unique purpose, and choosing the correct type will help you accurately track what you sell and how your income is recorded. So, assuming we're running a restaurant business, let's take a closer look at how each of these options will apply. The first option is Inventory, which is for products you buy, sell, and track quantities of. In a restaurant, this would include items you sell to customers or key ingredients that you need to keep close tabs on, like bottled drinks or packaged takeout meals. For example, imagine your restaurant sells bottled water. You want to know how many bottles are on hand, track when stock is running low, and see the value of your inventory. By setting up bottled water as an inventory item, QuickBooks Online automatically updates the quantity whenever you sell a bottle and reduces the value of inventory accordingly. Next, we have non-inventory items, which are products you buy or sell but don't track quantities for. These are things you purchase regularly for the business, like disposable napkins, cleaning supplies, or packaging materials, but don't need detailed stock tracking. For instance, napkins are something every restaurant needs, but they're used up so quickly it's unnecessary to monitor how many individual napkins you have. Instead, you'll simply track their cost to ensure your expenses are recorded properly. The third option, Service, is perfect for activities or tasks you provide to customers. In a restaurant, this could include catering services, private event hosting, or even delivery service. Finally, there's the Bundle option, which lets you combine multiple products or services into a single package. For instance, you might create a lunch combo special that includes one main dish, a bottled drink, and a dessert, all sold together for a single price. Instead of adding each item separately when serving customers, you can use the bundle to save time and make invoicing more efficient. The individual items, whether they're inventory like bottled water or non-inventory like dessert, are still tracked behind the scenes, so you always have accurate records of sales and costs. When adding items to the products and services list, it's important to look at your business and think carefully about what you need to track and how. If you sell products like drinks or packaged meals, inventory is the way to go. For items like cleaning supplies that are consumed quickly, non-inventory makes sense. When you're offering services such as catering, event hosting, or delivery, the service option is perfect. And for combinations or special packages, bundles keep everything organized. Now, let's go ahead and demonstrate how to add new products or services in QuickBooks Online. Let's try it with an inventory item. So we'll select Inventory from here to load the form. Firstly, in the name field, enter Bottled Water. This name will help you quickly identify the product in your inventory system. Next, specify how much stock you have initially. In the Initial Quantity on Hand field, input the starting count of your inventory, such as 500 units. The As of date is crucial because it marks when you began tracking this item in QuickBooks. You could set this date to when you received the inventory, for instance, today's date. For selling the product, set the sales price or rate at which you intend to sell each unit of bottled water. For example, if you sell each bottle for $3, that's the amount you should enter. Lastly, indicate the cost of purchasing the bottled water in the Cost field. If each bottle costs you $2 to purchase, enter this amount to help track the cost of goods sold. These are the most important details you need to enter on this form. While you are focusing only on these fields, remember that QuickBooks allows you to manage additional details for comprehensive inventory tracking. Fields like SKU can be used for a unique stock-keeping unit number if you are using a barcode system, although it's not necessary in our demonstration. You can also categorize your inventory, for instance under beverages, to keep your inventory organized, set a reorder point to help manage stock levels, and select the appropriate income account and expense account for proper accounting of sales and expenses. Now, once you're done, simply come down here and click Save and Close. All items you add will be added to the list of products and services. Remember, you can always come back to the products and services list to add more items or update existing ones as your business evolves. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials.